MRI techs have the easiest job ever. Yeah, that's what people think, and that's what they say. I don't know if it's because they look at social media and they see people on here just sitting down and pressing buttons, but legally we cannot show you guys exactly what we do because we would be invading on people's privacy. So I don't show any of that, but I can tell you, my day's almost over. Well, it is over, but I'm going to take you with me to clean my car. So stick with me here if you want to know what we do in MRI. Otherwise, swipe away. But what we do each day is take care of our patients. We help doctors diagnose and be able to treat diseases. Most people come to us already knowing what is wrong, good or bad, or unsure. It's our job as MRI technologists not only to take images, but we actually have to look and make sure there's no pathology that is emergent. So if there's a cord compression, if there's a tumor in the brain or anywhere in the body, we have to know, is that a tumor or a cyst? Someone that just presses buttons wouldn't know that, right? Yeah. Let me know in the comments if I was right about that, or if you think that anybody can press buttons, because they can't. We also have to be able to place IVs. We have to be able to do compressions and perform CPR until emergency help gets there, because many times we work alone. In the hospital, we work on emergent cases, people that come in with implants, people that come in having seizures, strokes, and those things happen inside of our scanner. They could be perfectly fine, and all of a sudden our patient is seizing on the table. We have to always be sitting there. It might look like we're just sitting there doing nothing, but we're actually paying attention to reading the EKG signals. We're reading the pulse of the patient, making sure that they are doing well in our scanner. After we've injected them with a foreign substance, which is a dye that some people are really allergic to, we have to make sure, number one, our patients stay safe from beginning to end. Anyone that enters the room is safe. Look, let me tell you, it's exhausting telling you all this. So if you want to learn more, be sure to stick close and follow for more, because it's hot out here. I'm done. Peace out.